What's up, YouTube? Sorry you see this thing from one of my hockey games. Anyway, I was watching a video today, and I actually wanted to share this with you. I learned about something weird in Scotland. If you go to Scotland, please don't bring your dog. There's a bridge called the Overton Bridge. There's a mystery leading dogs to commit suicide. I'm not kidding. There was like 50 dogs in like 50 years that jumped off that thing. Just don't do it, please. That would be the worst. Mysteriously, I'm thinking something attracts dogs to do that. Like an artifact. An artifact that could attract dogs to jump to wherever they want. Leave in the comment section below if you think I'm seriously right. I saw some video where it said like a ghost did that. I'm not buying it. Yeah. Leave in the comment section below, please, if I'm right about an artifact that attracts dogs. Peace.